In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Docusign an Excel sheet. Whether you're working from home or managing documents in an office setting, being able to securely and efficiently sign documents electronically is an essential skill. So, let's dive into how you can seamlessly integrate your Excel sheet into the Docusign platform. First things first, you'll want to head over to Docusign's website. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. Having an account will allow you to manage your documents safely and provide you with a range of tools for signing and sending documents. Navigate to the Agreements section once you're logged in. This is your go-to hub for managing all your document traffic. In this dashboard, you'll find any documents you've previously worked with, and you can also initiate new agreements. Next, direct your attention to the Start Now button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted with the option to upload your document. Since our focus today is on Excel spreadsheets, ensure you have the file ready on your computer before you proceed. You'll want to select the Upload button to begin this quick process. This way, you're set to seamlessly bring your Excel data into a format that can be easily handled by Docusign. Once you've clicked Upload, a new window will appear, allowing you to choose the location of your file. In most cases, it's likely you have your Excel sheet saved on your desktop or in a specific folder you use frequently. Click on Desktop from the available options in the File dialog. This might save you some time if that's where your document is located. Then, it's simply a matter of selecting your Excel file from your desktop. A little tip here is to double-check you're selecting the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions of a document. This ensures there are no hiccups along the way, and that you're always working with the most relevant information. After choosing the correct Excel file, you will click on the Next button. This will take you to a crucial step where you can specify the signing roles and positions on your document. If there are multiple parties involved, this is where you identify them and assign their signing spots. Docusign gives you great flexibility in setting up the signing order and positioning the signature fields accurately. And there you have it. That's how you prepare an Excel sheet for signing with Docusign. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to handle your documents. Be sure to review everything before finalizing the document. This ensures accuracy and completeness, making your document signing procedure smooth and efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and happy signing.